Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Heat butter or oil in a skillet or non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Sauté until tender, about 4 minutes. Alternatively, you can steam the cauliflower rice in a microwave-safe bowl, covered with a damp paper towel until tender, about 3 minutes on high.
Let's help you make your mark.
Riced broccoli. Like riced cauliflower, riced broccoli is a smart rice alternative for people on low-carb or low-calorie diets. It's similar in nutrient content to riced cauliflower, with 1/2 cup, 57 grams, packing about 15 calories and 2 grams of fiber, 6.
Let's help you make your mark.
For a well-rounded diet, calories shouldn't be the only focus. That said, cauliflower rice contains fewer calories, 20 calories, than white rice, 210 calories. As such, cauliflower rice may be a better option for those watching their calories.
Take our lead.
Opinion. Raw cauliflower rice is crunchy, and works to add texture to a salad, but it doesn't mimic cooked rice. I then tried steaming the whole cauliflower florets first, using a traditional steamer basket set into a medium-sized pot. Once cooled, I grated the cooked cauliflower.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.